What's going on, guys? Impact here, Hallelujah Restoration. We're out in beautiful Beaufort getting ready to replace a aluminum frame, almond exterior, half round window with a new replacement window. So like I said, this window is particular because it's almond, or actually this color is called driftwood. It's a little darker than almond, and then also has the half round above it. So it's a mold unit, a little tricky, but there's nothing that's out of our wheelhouse. With over a decade of experience, we'll be sure to provide a type of experience. Then when we're done, brings one phrase to the tip of your tongue: hallelujah. Come back and see us in a little bit to see the finish. Impact here, Hallelujah Restoration. We're back and everything's completed, sealed up, caulked up, and ready to enjoy. So we actually took the time to clean the windows. That's part of the Hallelujah experience, and it is not even lunchtime yet. So get it built fast, get it built to last. Home in a one-day install. Hallelujah Restoration.